Hi, how y'all doing? It's your girl, your lady, 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome. Yes, let's welcome MeMe 42. Yes, I am collabing with my girl, and we are cooking pot roast. So make sure after you finish watching my channel, make sure you go to her channel and see how she cooking her roast. Then leave a comment and let her know who roast is the best. Is it 1K Yellow Diamond or is it MeMe 42? Hi, how you doing? It's your girl, your lady, 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my channel. Hello, 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 hello. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing today? I want to know how you doing. Comment it below and let me know how you doing. I hope you're doing fine and fabulous. And if not, remember, you, not that person, you have the key to be happy. It's your choice. You just have to take a stand and choose it. Okay. Let's get into this video. As you saw that I am collabing with MeMe 42. Make sure you all go check her channel out. She does a lot of stuff. She vlogs. She do outfit of the day. She does what else? She cooks. She hauls. She do story time. She do exercise program. She does it everything. So go to her channel. I'm gonna put her link in the description box below, as well as pin it. So go check her out. Show her some love. Let her know you're coming from 1K Yellow Diamond channel. Say, hey, MeMe 42. I'm coming from 1K Yellow Diamond channel to support you. Okay? All right. So let's get into it. We are collabing on cooking a pork roast. She's a Southern girl. I'm a Southern girl. So we're going to see how we're different, because we are different. Just because she's a Southern girl and I'm a Southern girl, we're different. Then again, we might cook it the same way. So let's get into it. I have two picnic pork roast. I went to the store to get a beef roast because I wanted a beef roast. I went to the store. Don't you know they had a small roast, about this, probably even smaller than this, smaller than that size, for $9. Don't you know I have a family of five? And 4 is grown and 1 is a teenager. And all males except for 1, and that's me. That was not going to cut it. I would have to buy probably like 2 or 3 of them for my family. And that would have been like what? About $20, between $20 and $24. I might as well got some oxtails. So I stuck with the pork roast. The picnic pork roast was $4. $4 for each. It was like one was 3 something, another one was 3 something. So that's my little story time about shopping out there for me. So first, what I do, okay, well, let me tell you what I have. A picnic roast. I have gravy, brown gravy. I have celery salt. I have onion powder. I have garlic powder. I have salt, pepper, soy sauce, and oil. Here I have onions, bell pepper, garlic, and jalapeno peppers. Yes, baby. You know what? I forgot to chop up my potatoes, but hey, we'll get to that later. So first, how I prepare my roast. I cut. Let me get it out this. Cold meat feels so funny. I have to frown. Okay. So what I do first, I put little slits and stuff it with garlic. So we're going to get to that. 1 garlic. Sometimes I cut it up, mince it up, and then stuff it, but not today, baby. We're going to put that whole garlic in there. Cut little slits and stuff it. I'm going to cut that garlic in half. So how is everybody doing today? Comment below and let me know how you cook your roast. Yes, comment below and let me know. Yes, yes. It's funny, about a week or two ago, MeMe had a live, MeMe 42, she had a live going. And I went in there and said, hey, how you doing, what's up? And we was talking about roast. And sure enough, she do it this way too. She put little slits and stuff it with garlic. Stuff it, baby, stuff it. Nothing like garlic. Garlic, baby. And it just depends on how big your roast is. That's how, you know, you can put as much garlic you like. You like a lot of garlic? Stuff it. Stuff it as much as possible. If that's what you like, you know? If you don't like garlic, you don't have to stuff it with garlic. You really don't. You can stuff it with what you like. Say like I got the bell peppers and onions. If you like bell peppers and onions, stuff it with that. I have one more garlic. And I think I'm going to put it in this one. Okay? So that's it with the stuffing. Sometimes you stuff it with onions. Let me see if I can get some onions in here. And the ones that I already cut up. Oh yeah, my cat just always meowing. Meowing. Okay. So next. Ooh, my hands feel so funny. So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm cooking my roast in the crock pot. Yes, I am. So y'all, this is gonna take between 2 and 3, maybe between 2 and 4 hours. So, but I'm just showing you how to prepare it, how I prepare my roast. So next, what I do, I oil it down. I add a little oil to, what's that noise? Jamal? Jamal, that music too loud. Hey. How you doing? That's good. So I oil it. I kind of like give it a massage, an oil massage. Just rub it down, baby. The garlic and stuff falling out. So just a little that's a little vegetable oil, and just rub it. Just a little. That garlic fell out. I don't know where it fell from. Where did you come from? Put you right there. Push that one out. You're going to season it, baby. Season with some salt, some pepper. Pepper, baby. Pepper. Some garlic powder. Get it nice and coated, because remember this, these seasonings have to marinate in the inside. Onion powder. Celery salt. Did I say that earlier? Just a little celery salt. Just a little. Then you're going to flip it over and repeat it. Repeat it, baby. Salt. pepper. Sorry if you hear my cat meowing. They hungry. I need to feed them. I'm going to feed them when I finish this. Okay. Did I do this? No. Okay. Now after that, in the crock pot, you're going to put half these vegetables in there. Half of the bell pepper, half of the onion, and half of the jalapenos. We're going to set the roast inside of the pan, not pan, what you call it, crock pot. Yeah, baby, that crock pot is hot on me. Hot. And remember to clean up. So after that, you know, I'm going to need this for my other video. After that, remember the gravy? You're going to add the gravy, 1 pack to the meat. 1 pack, honey. We're going to save the other pack for later, just like we saved the vegetables. Well, some of the vegetables. And then we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. I would say add about, a half a, no, that's too, probably like 1/3, 1 cup. 1 cup of soy sauce. And that's it for now. Let it cook. Like I said, between 2 to 4 hours, depends on how thick your roast is. You know, how fast your crock pot could cook. I have my crock pot on high. Let this just sit and do its thing. You don't have to mess with it or anything. So I'm going to let it cook half the time, which is probably like about an hour and a half. I'm going to check on it, or 2 hours. Then I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. I'm going to add my potatoes, and I'm going to add my carrots. Okay, you guys, I am back. We are at the halfway mark in cooking our picnic roast, right? So, what we need to do is add the rest of the ingredients. As a matter of fact, this roast is taking longer than I thought it would take. I thought it might take, you know, half the time because of it was a small roast. Well, it's 2 of them. Maybe that's probably plenty for. But anyway, so we're at the halfway mark. We're going to add the potatoes. I don't have fresh carrots. I bought frozen carrots. So we have carrots, whole baby carrots. And we have the rest of the onions, bell pepper, jalapeno, and the other package of gravy. We also going to add maybe a half a cup of water. A half a cup of water. And we're going to add some more seasons. Salt, black pepper, garlic pepper, onion powder for the other ingredients that we add. So, let's go ahead and add the potatoes. The potatoes, baby. You know what? Let me show you how this roast look. Let me show you. Woo, this thing is heavy, y'all. Can y'all see that? That's how it looks so far. It got another, probably, well, an hour, maybe 2 left. But it smells amazing. Hopefully y'all can see it. So, woo. Ooh, yeah. That is heavy. So let me plug it back up. Okay. So we added the potatoes. Kind of spread them out. Let's add the baby carrots. We're going to add the bell pepper, onion. No onion, baby. I love onion and jalapeno. Sprinkle that all around. Sprinkle it, baby. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it, baby. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it, baby. Sometimes I have to double check to make sure it's still filming. Okay, let's add a little salt. Just a little. Gonna add the pepper, baby. Black pepper. And remember, we adding this because we adding the other ingredients. Ingredients, baby. Black pepper. Salt. What's this? Onion powder. Onion powder. Garlic powder. I'm going to show y'all this one more time because it look good just like that. Then the other package of gravy. And we just going to sprinkle it. Sprinkle it, baby. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it, baby. Then we're going to add the water. Just half of this cup. Because it made a lot of juice itself. So just half. Half. And let me show you how that looks. That's how that look. Now let's cook it. Well, let's finish cooking it. Still on high. Top is on good. And that's it. Now, next time we come back, I'm coming back with the finished product. Yes, I am. The finished product of my Southern picnic pork roast. You hear that, MeMe 42? MeMe 42, how you doing with your roast over there? I want to know. I'll be back. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Look at that meat. It's just falling apart. OMG. It took longer than I thought. So I am out of my clothes, in my PJs. I'm talking about PJs. But there you go. Look at that. Looks so good. So yummy. You guys catch me on my mukbang. I will be eating this along with some other items on my mukbang. Falling apart. Look. Falling apart. Woo. So you guys catch me on my mukbang. So I can mukbang this pot roast. And don't forget to go check out my girl, MeMe 42. And tell me, go check her out and see how she did her roast. And y'all come back in my comment section and let me know. Did she do it better than me? Let me know. Let me know. But yeah, go show her some love. Alright, you guys. I am gone. I am out. I will see you on the next video. Alright. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye. And welcome. 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 Welcome to my channel. Yummy. Give me that yummy. Here, have some. That yummy, 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 yum. Give me that yummy, yummy, yum, yum.